Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to allow everyone to make peer-to-peer calls on Telegram web right from your PC. This feature comes from a new update that gives you more control over who can call you and how Telegram handles those calls. So let's jump right into the steps. First, open Telegram web on your computer's browser. You can log in using your phone number or QR code if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click on it to open the sidebar. Now, find and click on Settings. This is where all your personal preferences and account controls are located. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section manages everything related to your privacy, including who can message, see, or call you. Scroll down a bit until you find the option titled Who Can Call Me. This is the setting that decides who's allowed to start voice or video calls with you. Click on it to open the list of options. You'll see choices like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To allow everyone on Telegram to make peer-to-peer calls with you, simply choose Everybody. That's it. Telegram will automatically save your choice and apply the new setting instantly.